to you all, and I pray that we all achieve the goals we set for this year. Amen. Thanks for joining me for my first video this year. I'm also going to use this time to say that I appreciate all your support and the kindness you've shown me in this channel. And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you get something out of it. And also become a part of this couponing family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is the second week of this ad cycle. That means all the deals you did last week, you can repeat them again. The first deal we have is spend 10 get 5 back on Colgate Total Care. Pick up Colgate mouthwash, priced at $6.29 each. And both will total $12.58. We have a 4 off 2 app coupon that will drop it down to $8.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Act product. Pick up 2 of the Kids toothpaste priced at $4.99 each and they will total $9.98. I have 2 $1 off Act Tear Pad coupon that you can use if you have them. That will drop it down to $7.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Listerine mouthwash. You can pick up the 1.5 liter, priced at $10.49. We have a $1 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $4.49 only. And Listerine is part of the Activate Reward deal. My next deal is spend 10 get $3 back on CVS hand and body lotion or facial care. There are multiple ways to do this deal depending on the Ibotta rebate you have, but with what I have, I think this will be the best way to do it, is to pick up 4 of the 3-ounce lotion priced at $2.79 each. And they will total $11.16. Pay that and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each, limit of 5. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these 4 will end up costing just $4.16 or $1.04 each. The next deal I have is on Eucerin lotion and they are part of the spend 20 get $10 back. I didn't show this deal last week because my store was out, but this week they have it in stock. And that will be the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion, priced at $7.49 here. But when you check the app, it's priced at $6.99 and my store will match the price. Pick up 3 and they will total $20.97. We have a $3 coupon in our app and I have 2 $2 tier pad coupon you can use for the remaining 2 products. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $13.97 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each, which means you get $3 back from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate and the $10 extra care box, these 3 will end up costing just 97 cents or 32 cents each. My next deal is on Nivea lotion. They are part of the buy 2 get 7 back. Pick up 2 Nivea lotions priced at $10.29 each and both will total $20.58. We only have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $18.58 and you get 7 back. Then check Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each lotion. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, making them just $7.58 or $3.79 The fourth facial care deal I have in this video is buy 2 get 7 back on Aveeno facial care or Neutrogena facial cleansing. This deal is a limit of 1, but I'll give you 2 options. That way you can pick whichever one that works well for you. And the first option is to pick up 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, priced at $7.79 here, but on the app it says $6.99. Check your store. If they do price match, you can ask them to price match it for you if it's not priced at $6.99 on the shelf. Picking up 2 will total $13.98. Use the 3 off 2 we have in our app and a 3 off 10 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $7.98 and you get 7 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. With this deal, you can add the Listerine deal to it if you want to do the Activate reward. One of the tiers in the Activate reward is spend 20 get $5 back. If you add the Listerine to this deal, your new total will be $23.98. Use the 3 off 2 coupon for the Neutrogena, 3 off 10 CRT for the Neutrogena, and $1 coupon for the Listerine. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $16.98, and you get $7 back for the Neutrogena, $5 back for the Listerine, and $5 back for spending 20. That will end up making the 3 of them free and 2 cents moneymaker. The second option I have is for people that get the 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT instead of the 3 off 10 CRT. Pick up 3 Neutrogena makeup wipes remover, priced at $6.99 each, and they will total $20.97. Use the 3 off 2 we have in our app and the 5 off 20 CRT. That will take off $8 and drop it down to $12.97. Pay that and get $7 back. Then submit your receipt to Activate reward for $5 back for spending 20, and that will end up making them just 97 cents or 32 cents each. The next few items I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on 1+ other products. The first one I have will be on the cotton balls. They are on sale for buy one get one free. Pick up 2 300 counts cotton balls, priced at $2.99. Pay just $2.99, and that will make each pack just $1.50. The next one is on the 100 count cotton rounds, on sale for buy one get one free and priced at $4.59. Pick up 2, pay the $4.59, and that will make each pack just $2.30. The first cotton swab I have is the 600 counts, and these ones are on the makeup section. They are priced at $4.89, and they're on sale for buy one get one free. Pick up 2, pay $4.89, and that will make each pack just $2.45. And the second one I have will be on the baby aisle, on sale for buy one get one free, and they are priced at $3.99. Pick up 2, pay $3.99, and that will make each pack just $2. The next one I have is on the mesh proof, and the cheapest my store have is priced at $2.99. Pick up 2, pay $2.99, and that will make each one just $1.50. The next buy one get one free I have will be on all Huggies wipes. Last week I shared the deal with the bigger packs. You can check the video I posted last week for the breakdown, and all the deals in that video is still going on. But this week I'll focus on the 64 counts, priced at $4.49. Use the 25 cents off Huggies coupon we have in our app, and that will make you pay $4.24. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 160 kicks for each pack. That means you get back 320 kicks from Shopkick, and that's $1.28 back from Shopkick, which will make these 2 packs just $2.96 or $1.48 each. The next one I have is on Kellogg Nutri-Grain bars, on sale for buy one get one free and priced at $5.29. Pick up 2, pay $5.29, and that would make each box just $2.65. If you like the Saratoga spring water, I found them on clearance for $2.09, and we have a BOGO coupon in our app. Pick up 2, and they will total $4.18. Using the BOGO coupon will take off $2.09, dropping it down to just $2.09 for both, or $1.05 each. The next deal I have is on Hall cough drops. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. My store only have 1 left, but if you can find more than 1, pick up 2. They are priced at $3.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.80. Both will total $5.39. We have $1 off coupon in our app that will drop it down to $4.39, and you get 2 back, making them just $2.39 or $1.20 each. Select You by Kotex liners, pads, and tampons are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Last week I shared this deal, and I made a mistake with the Ibotta rebate. I'm sorry about that. For this week, pick up 2 You by Kotex liners on sale for 2 for $10. Pay the $10 and you get $3 back. The Ibotta rebate changed. Last week it was $2 back for each pack, but this week it's $1 back for each pack. Submit your receipt to Ibotta and you get back $2. That's $1 for each pack. That will end up making them just $4 or $2 each. My next deal is on Dove hand wash. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two, and they are priced at $5.79, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.90. They will total $8.69. Check your Unilever email, because I have a 2 off 2 Dove coupon that you can use with this deal, and it will drop it down to $6.69, and you get two back, making them just $4.69 or $2.35 each. The next deal I have got better this week than last week because we received a 3 off 2 coupon, and that will be on Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two, use the 3 off 2 coupon we have in our app. That will drop it down to $5, and you get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. Just like Garnier Fructis, the whole blend got better also this week because we received another 3 off 2 coupon. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two, use the 3 off 2 coupon we have in our app. That will drop it down to $5, and you get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. I finally found the Cottonelle flushable wipes. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two, pay $9, and you get $2 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get 10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1, but I have 2 options in this video, so you can pick whichever one that works for you, and this will be all digital deal. For the first option, pick up 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99, a Tide Pod on sale for $12.99, and the last item to complete this deal will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $32.97. We have a $3 coupon in our app for the Tide detergent, $3 for the Tide Pod, and $1 for the Downy. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $25.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $15.97 or $5.32 each. The second option I have is to pick up the Charmin 6 Mega Rolls on sale for $9.99, 1 Bounty 6 Double Rolls on sale for $15.99, and the last item for this deal will be the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These 3 items will total $31.97. We have a $1 off Charmin digital coupon, $3 off for the Bounty, and for the Dawn Power Wash, we have $2 off as well. That will take off 6 and drop it down to $25.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $15.97 or $5.32 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I wish everyone a wonderful new year. Bye.